Hi guys, going to show you how I'm going to fit my panniers today on the GSXS1000GT. I couldn't find any videos at all how to do it, and the manual that comes with it's fairly explanatory, but the very first part, to remove the existing decorative panel, it just says refer to your service manual, and if you look at the owner's manual or the service manual, there is no instructions on how to remove this panel. So I thought I'd show you that bit first. I've already done the other side, how to get this off. All it is there's some clips. I'll show you on the other one. I have taken off already. There are some small clips just on the edges here, just that hold it in. So the idea is that you squeeze this plastic and it will unclip. Well, I tried squeezing as much as I could and I couldn't get it off. I just couldn't get it off from squeezing. But I did find that underneath here is a drain hole, and you can get a screwdriver in there and pop it off. Like that. And I haven't broken any of the clips. Looks a bit violent, but that's how you have to get it off. Then the next job is to remove these three bolts. They're not 12mm. These three are not used to fit the new holder for the pannier, so it does say throw them away or just don't use them, but if you ever wanted to put this back to stock and keep hold of them. Now that's clear, we can put, because there are actually 4 holes, although we only removed three bolts, we can put the new fitment in. Now when this comes in the kit, obviously there's 2 of these, and on the inside there is a code in here, and one of them has got in brackets at the very end, you probably won't be able to see on the camera, one says L and one says R, left and right, so obviously this is the right one. Now there's a funny little cut out tang bit, or sticking out tang bit on this end that's not at this end. This goes at the back. Okay, it just bangs in like that, and then you're given 4 new bolts to put those in. Now in the instructions it tells you to tighten these opposite each other in sequence. I don't know if that will come up on the screen or not. But 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll just follow that. We'll follow what they're saying. The instructions do say use a torque. It's up to you. I'm not going to bother. So they might fall off and go pinging down the road. Okay, next is to take the pillion peg off. Okay. Suzuki tell you not to reuse these bolts because they provide you with some new ones that are coated. I guess they don't trust us to use Loctite. Okay, next piece you receive, you get 2 of these to go on the pillion pegs. They're both identical, there's no left and right. They're both identical pieces, so you can't get these mixed up. And they attach. The back of the pillion, there's 2 screw holes there, ready for it. And these go on here, like this. Not like that, wouldn't work. It goes in the same direction as the pillion peg. Okay, so I'll just get the 2 screws. They give you two bolts, these 2, to put in and hold them in. I'll just quickly do that. Okay, and here we are with that plate fitted. So that's how it looks from the front with the rubber at the back. So now I'll put that back on the bike. And that's the end of fitting the kit. However, you'll come across a problem putting the blocks on, because when we come to locate this, the piece at the bottom here, this gap for the box that slides over the rubber's new and it won't go down on it. So we can put this on, and it won't push down on the rubber. So a little bit of soap on the rubber just to help it slide on. Your box has lock and unlock, so put it in the unlock position so you can get to these, and when you lock it stops them coming off. So put it into the unlock position, locate, drop them on. And I knew where the key was. Job done. And that is how you fit the panniers. Good luck, guys. Cheers.